Welcome to AI Joyful Discoveries. Today we're exploring the differences between ChatGPT of OpenAI and Azure OpenAI, highlighting their significance for content creators, developers, and businesses. Understanding these platforms is key to leveraging AI for content creation, application development, and automating customer interactions, enhancing productivity and innovation across industries.
ChatGPT, developed by OpenAI, is an advanced conversational AI that generates text responses similar to human conversation. It excels in generating human-like text for interactive applications, customer support, and content creation. Its versatility spans various sectors, enabling customer service, education, and content creation.
Azure OpenAI, a collaboration between Microsoft and OpenAI, integrates OpenAI's AI models with Microsoft's Azure cloud services. This partnership offers scalable, secure access to AI models, enhancing offerings for developers and businesses. The service provides a range of AI models, including GPT-4 for improved language and code understanding, DAL for image generation from text descriptions, and Whisper for speech transcription and translation. Integration with Azure ensures scalability and support for enterprise applications.
Key features and capabilities. ChatGPT's features include advanced language understanding, context retention, and customization options, making it suitable for a wide range of tasks from code debugging to creative writing. Azure OpenAI offers broader model access, cloud integration for scalability, and security features tailored for enterprise use. It provides REST API access to models like GPT for easy deployment and scalable solutions that adapt to demand changes, ensuring enterprise security and ethical AI use.
ChatGPT applications include customer support, e-commerce, content creation, education, productivity tools, entertainment and gaming, healthcare, and research and data analysis. Azure OpenAI applications include conversational AI, content generation, data analysis, customization, speech services, and document processing.
ChatGPT and Azure OpenAI integration seamlessly combines advanced conversational AI capabilities with robust cloud infrastructure, offering scalable, secure, and ethically responsible AI solutions for businesses and developers.
In summary, ChatGPT and Azure OpenAI serve a wide array of applications, from enhancing customer interactions and content creation to supporting educational initiatives and streamlining business operations. While ChatGPT excels in direct interaction, creative tasks, and personalized assistance, Azure OpenAI offers scalable, secure solutions tailored for enterprise-level applications, demonstrating the vast potential of AI across different sectors and use cases.
While there are possibilities for using ChatGPT-like models in various fields independently of OpenAI's API, such deployments require careful consideration of access rights, technical feasibility, and legal constraints. The most straightforward and compliant way to use ChatGPT remains through OpenAI's API, which ensures access to the latest models, updates, and support.
Accessing Azure OpenAI services involves a straightforward process that integrates seamlessly with Microsoft Azure's ecosystem, offering scalability and a wide range of AI capabilities.
This includes setting up a Microsoft Azure account, activating a subscription, and creating an Azure OpenAI resource.
Azure OpenAI service supports scaling through elastic compute resources, global availability, managed service, and customization and fine-tuning of models on specific tasks or domains.
While Azure OpenAI offers robust, scalable, and secure AI solutions for enterprises, its access to the full spectrum of ChatGPT plugins or the ability to explore all GPT models may be limited by its focus on enterprise needs, security and compliance considerations, integration and support requirements, and specific access policies.
A key difference between OpenAI and Azure OpenAI is that OpenAI requires only the model name, while Azure OpenAI necessitates specifying a deployment name even when using the model parameter. For clarity, deployment names can mirror model names to indicate their association with specific API endpoints. For more information, visit Azure's documentation.
Summary. Imagine OpenAI's API, including ChatGPT, Ace your friendly neighborhood AI, always ready to lend a hand with projects big or small. It's like having a smart buddy who's always there with the right tools and doesn't mind if you're on a tight budget. On the other side of town, Azure OpenAI is the seasoned pro, backed by Microsoft Azure's robust infrastructure, offering a secure and scalable solution for the corporate world. It's like the difference between a DIY project on a sunny weekend and orchestrating a symphony of enterprise operations. Whether you're tinkering in your digital garage or steering the ship at a Fortune 500, there's a customized AI solution waiting for you. Conclusion. To wrap it up with a bow, ChatGPT and OpenAI's API are the go-to for sparking conversations with AI, making integration a breeze and fitting your budget like your favorite pair of jeans. Azure OpenAI Service, with Microsoft Azure in its corner, steps up the game for enterprises, bringing the muscle of scalable and secure AI solutions. It's as reliable as your morning coffee and comes with billing that won't give you surprises. Together, they cater to all, from solo tech enthusiasts dreaming up their next project to enterprises paving the way forward, ensuring the AI journey is just the right mix of relaxed and remarkable.